Let's now move on, viewers, and shift our focus to what is happening in Bangladesh right now. And a big and a sensational claim, in fact, has been made by anti-India leader Hadi, whose killing actually triggered this fresh wave of protests in Bangladesh. And in fact, Osman Hadi's brother has in fact made this big charge against Muhammad Yunus's regime, and he has claimed that his brother, in fact, there was, somebody in the government orchestrated the assassination of his brother to derail the upcoming national elections in February. This is the latest update that we are getting for you. Listen in to this reaction.
আপনারাই ওসমান হাদিকে হত্যা করিয়েছেন, আবার আপনারা এটাকে ইস্যু করে নির্বাচন বানচাল করার চেষ্টা করতেছে। ওসমান হাদি বলেছিলেন ফেব্রুয়ারিতে দেশে নির্বাচন হতে হবে এবং সেই নির্বাচন করার জন্য সে প্রস্তুতি নিয়ে মাঠে নেমেছিল, কিন্তু তাকেই হত্যা করে নির্বাচন বাধাগ্রস্ত করার চেষ্টা হচ্ছে।
Let's go across to my colleague Rajesh, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Rajesh, it's a big claim that has been made by Osman Hadi's brother. According to him, someone in Muhammad Yunus's led interim government orchestrated, in fact, this assassination, this killing of Osman Hadi to derail the upcoming national election that's supposed to happen in February.
Exactly. A few days after Osman Hadi was killed, now brother of Osman Hadi is raising voice against the interim government led by Muhammad Yunus. And brother of Muhammad Hadi is also blamed Muhammad Yunus government for killing his brother Osman Hadi, and he has said that you have killed Osman Hadi, and you should remember that you were in the power of the nation when he was killed. So you are now making this issue for sabotage the election. So that was the claim by brother of Osman Hadi. He has also said that Muhammad Yunus government is responsible because they cannot escape the responsibility because they are in power of the nation right now till the coming election. Brother of Osman Hadi has also claimed that they should remember they will face the same thing, whatever the previous government members are facing right now, whatever they are going through right now. If they cannot bring the murderers, bring the accused persons before the justice. He has also demanded to bring all those rackets who are behind the murder, who are behind the brutal killing. They should be brought to justice and they should be brought to before the nation. So they have demanded strong punishment for the accused. And brother of Osman Hadi has completely blamed Yunus government for this brutal killing of Osman Hadi.
Stay on with us. In fact, we have some more breaking inputs